Medical teaching during Corona pandemic. Corona pandemic and medical teaching. Corona pandemic has adversely affected classroom teaching of undergraduate students in medical colleges. Classes have been suspended due to Corona lockdown. Hostels have been closed. Students sent home. No classroom teaching is going on. In such situation, how to continue education without loss of academic year of the students? Now, what is the solution of this? The only solution is to adopt online teaching of histology and pathology using digital slides for classroom lectures and practical demonstration. And this solution is offered by Digiscan, which offers this facility by providing large number of digital slides of histology and pathology to medical colleges for online teaching of students. Make sure to use this available precious resource of thousands of slides in Digiscan Digital Library for online teaching. Many online digital slide sets are available for teaching undergraduate MBBS students. These slide sets are MBBS histology slides and MBBS pathology slides. Histology slides contain all teaching slides as per requirement of National Medical Commission of India, and pathology slides contain all pathological lesions as per requirement of National Medical Commission of India. These sets are available online 24/7 on nominal subscription. Apart from undergraduate students, resource material is also available for postgraduate pathology teaching. These slide sets are histopathology slide sets, gynae cytology slide sets, non-gynae sets, and hematology slide sets. Histopathology slide sets include slides of all systems and organs. Gynae slide sets, they include all conventional and LBC pap smears. Non-gynae sets, they include fine needle aspiration and fluid cytology slides. And finally, hematology slide sets include peripheral blood smears, bone marrow aspirate smears, and bone marrow trephine biopsies. Apart from all these sets, Digiscan also provides immunohistochemistry sets, dermatopathology sets, and quiz cases. Immunohistochemistry sets contain well worked up, interesting, or difficult cases of histopathology which were solved with the help of immunohistochemistry studies. Dermatopathology sets were specially designed for postgraduates of both dermatology as well as pathology. Digiscan also provides slide sets for assessment of postgraduates during examination or self-assessment by postgraduates. These sets are also available online 24/7 on nominal subscription. Contact us via website, email, or WhatsApp. Thank you.